Ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Maria Zulfikar Khan and I welcome you to the first IATSR International Conference. Our chief guest, Professor Siftul Hasnain, President, Pakistan Medical and Dental Council, has been held due to some important engagement and he has requested us to start the proceedings as he will be joining us in a short while. I would like to invite our guest of honor to the stage. May I please request Professor Masood Hamid, Vice Chancellor, Dow University of Health Sciences, Karachi, and also Mr. M.A. Raut, Chairman, Board of Governors, University of Lahore, to come to the stage. I would like to request that Qari Saidur Rahman please come on the stage so we can start with the recitation of the Holy Quran.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم مرج البحرين يلتقيان بينهما برزخ لا يبغيان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان يخرج منهما اللؤلؤ والمرجان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
like to invite Dr. Ayaz Ali Khan, National Coordinator, IATSR, for his welcome note.
Professor Masood Saab, Shemuru, my worthy teachers, fellow colleagues, future dentists, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. It is my profound privilege and an honor to welcome you all to the first IADSR International Conference at this beautiful city of Lahore. This conference has been organized, rather facilitated, by the Institute of Advanced Dental Sciences and Research. This institute has been launched very recently to facilitate activities related to dental education in the country. We at the institute are committed to uplift the overall standards of dental education in Pakistan. In this era of globalization, the mission of the institute is to uplift dentistry in the country to stand at par with global international standards. We have big plans. We plan to initiate and maintain a comprehensive continuing dental education program for general practitioners. And you will see in this conference that all the sessions that are in the oral health component are actually related directly to the problems faced by the general practitioner, and the consultant there would be giving their views and their opinion on the solutions. We seek to change the undergraduate curriculum in order to keep it abreast with international standards and in line with the realities and the oral health needs of the country. We also seek to start up appropriate postgraduate programs, recognized training programs for serving and aspiring faculty members of the dental schools. We plan to initiate and maintain local research activities. We plan to seek funding on behalf of aspiring candidates for educational and research projects. We would like to be acting as advisors to the local graduates to guide them into appropriate programs. And last but not the least, we would like to act as a liaison office for foreign universities in this country. This conference actually marks the launching of the Institute of Advanced Dental Sciences and Research in Pakistan. Ladies and gentlemen, the world has become a global village, and today, having a skilled and globally accepted workforce is perhaps the most important ingredient in any nation's competitiveness. In order to prepare our graduates for the global market, we need to focus on education, research, and patient care. These three components are the cornerstone of academic dentistry accepted globally, and hence the theme of the conference. The organization of this conference, to be very honest with you, was fairly easy and comfortable because all dental institutions from all over the country have come forward and they have contributed in organizing this conference for us. We have had an overwhelming response and with a record number of pre-registered delegates. Sheikh Zayed Federal Postgraduate Medical Institute, University of Lahore, and International Association of Dental Research Pakistan chapters are the lead organizations for this conference. National and international organizations have recognized and supported this conference. research papers, and this is for the first time in the history of this country, research papers that will be read at this conference have been approved by the Steering Committee of the International Association of Dental Research and shall be abstracted at the end of the year in the Journal of Dental Research. Pakistan Medical Research Council has taken up to start up the postgraduate research program, and there will be a postgraduate research competition and the undergraduate research competition which will receive awards from the Pakistan Medical Research Council. The winners of the student and the house surgeons quiz will now be awarded cash prizes. These cash prizes have been sponsored by Liaquat College of Medicine and Dentistry, Karachi. We have among us the president and the immediate past president of South Asian Dental Educators Association, who have come all the way from Far East to deliver lectures to our faculty members and hold workshops for faculty development. The WHO collaborative program on oral health has endorsed and supported the workshop on dental education. The Higher Education Commission, again for the first time, has supported any conference and has sponsored our foreign speakers that have come for the education component. The conference has also been supported by Dow University of Health Sciences and the University of the Punjab. This conference, ladies and gentlemen, would not have been possible had it not been for the financial backing of GlaxoSmithKline, who have been our platinum sponsor. I would personally like to thank them for supporting this academic activity. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. As I said earlier, the conference has been organized by a dental institution from all over the country. And the Institute of Advanced Dental Sciences and Research and Dental News has facilitated these efforts of all these organizations. We have endeavored to make this a memorable educational exposure for you, and we hope that you enjoy the conference as well as your stay in Lahore. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Ayaz. Now, as Dr. Ayaz mentioned earlier, this conference has been organized by all the institutions of the nation, and for this purpose, IITSR has nominated institutional coordinators for each dental college. Now, we would like to call upon all the institutions, and we want the institutions to respond to their roll call. When I call out the name of the institution, I would request all the students and faculty members of the institution to please make themselves visible by standing up, and for the coordinators to come on stage. Now, we will go from north to south, so I will start out with the Khyber College of Dentistry. Khyber College of Dentistry, please make themselves visible. I would request the coordinator for Khyber College of Dentistry to please come on stage. Sardar Begum Dental College, Peshawar. Dental Section, Ayub Medical College, Abbottabad. First Women Medical and Dental College, Abbottabad. Could we please have a representative from the first Women Medical and Dental College from Abbottabad, and we would request them to come on stage. Islamic International Dental College, Islamabad. Islamabad Medical and Dental College, Islamabad. Margala Institute of Health Sciences, Rawalpindi. Army Medical College, Rawalpindi. Once again, for all the coordinators, we would request them to come on stage, and we would request now the University College of Dentistry, Faisalabad. The Dental Section, Punjab Medical College, Faisalabad. The Montmorency College of Dentistry, Lahore. Lahore Medical and Dental College, Lahore. Medical and Dental College, Lahore. Ladies and gentlemen, please settle down.
Ladies and gentlemen, please settle down.
SNH College of Medicine and Dentistry, Lahore. University of Lahore College of Dentistry, Lahore. Sharif Medical and Dental College, Lahore. Medical University, Lahore. Sheikh Zayed Medical Complex, Lahore. Institute of Dentistry, Nishtar Medical College, Multan. Multan Medical and Dental College, Multan. Dental College, Liaquat University of Health Sciences, Jamshoro. Dental College, Isra University, Hyderabad. Bakai Dental College, Karachi. Fatima Jinnah Dental College, Karachi. Liaquat Medical and Dental College, Karachi. Karachi Medical and Dental College, Karachi. Hamdard Dental College, Karachi. Jinnah Dental College, Karachi. That is indeed the spirit spirit for Jinnah Dental College, Karachi. Dental College, Ziauddin Medical University, Karachi. Beria Medical and Dental College, Karachi. Altamash Institute of Dental Sciences. Professor Abdul Salam, former principal, Khyber College of Dentistry, Peshawar. Professor Salam is unable to attend the ceremony personally and has nominated Professor Shahid Iqbal to accept the award on his behalf. Professor Shahid Iqbal. Professor Ahmed Iqbal, former principal, Khyber College of Dentistry, Peshawar. Professor Ahmed Iqbal is also unable to attend the ceremony and has personally nominated Professor Kaimuddin to accept the award.
ये सीट रिजर्व है कैसा चल रहा है Oh, sorry.
Professor Aziz Khan, former principal, dental section, Bolan Medical College, Quetta. Professor Aziz is unable to attend the ceremony personally and has therefore nominated Professor Asad Javed to accept the award on his behalf. Professor B.A. Yusani, former Professor of Prosthodontics, the Montmorency College of Dentistry, Lahore.
I'm really highly grateful for this award. I really thank you.
Professor Isa Arai, Principal, Fatma Jinnah Dental College, Karachi. Unfortunately, Professor Isa is not feeling well and has not been able to attend. So, Mr. Hussain Bakir, could you kindly come on stage and get the award? Professor M.A. Sufi, former Principal, Institute of Public Health, Lahore. Professor Mohammad Rafiq Chakha, Principal, Faculty of Dentistry, Lahore Medical and Dental College, Lahore. Mohammad Saeed, former Principal, De Montmorency College of Dentistry, Lahore. Professor Saeed is out of the country. I would request Professor Riaz Badaish to accept the award on his behalf. Would Mr. Hafiz Shakir please come on the stage and receive the award for Dr. Saeed? Professor Mohammad Salim Cheema, former Principal of De Montmorency College of Dentistry, Lahore. I believe he could not make it to this ceremony, and the award shall be sent to him later on. Professor Mohammad Yusuf, Principal, Sharif Medical and Dental College. Professor Nazia Yassani, Dean, Postgraduate Studies of the College of Medicine and Dentistry, Lahore. Major General retired Noor Hussain, Administrator, FMH College of Medicine and Dentistry, Lahore. Professor Rafiq Maiman, Dean of Dentistry, ISRA University, Hyderabad. Professor Raza Sheikh, former Principal, Dental Section, LUMHS Jamshoro. Professor Raza Sheikh is also unable to attend the ceremony personally. May I please ask Professor Naveed Rashid to accept the award on his behalf. Dr. Rauf Ahmed Shah, former Head, Dental Section, Bulan Medical College, Quetta. Dr. Rauf accepts this award and has asked one of his colleagues from Quetta to collect it on his behalf. Professor Tariq Zaman, Associate Dean, Faculty of Medicine and Dentistry, University of Lahore. Major General retired S.M. Farooqi, former Commandant Armed Forces, Institute of Dentistry, Rawalpindi. Major General Faruqi accepts his award and has asked Colonel Professor Azad Ali Azad to collect it on his behalf. And last but certainly not the least, Professor Yaqub Beg Mirza, Principal at Lake College of Medicine and Thank you, Professor Masood. I would like now to invite Mr. M.A. Rao, Chairman, Board of Governors, University of Lahore, to kindly present the conference souvenirs to our guest speakers who have travelled long distances to be with us. Professor Siftul Hussain is also here. Please, ladies and gentlemen, welcome Dr. Siftul Hussain. I request Professor Gage of the International Medical University, Malaysia, to please come on stage. Professor Leong from the University of Hong Kong. Professor Amjad Wain from the King Saud University, Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Dr. McGill from Leeds University, UK. Dr. Mughis Beg from the Al Ali Hospital, Qatar. Dr. Gohar Bajid from the Dammam University, Saudi Arabia. Thank you, Mr. Rao. I would now like to invite Dr. Saima Chaudhary to please come on the stage and present the conference report.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you very much for being here. You all must know my voice and my phone number by now, if nothing else. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to all the distinguished guests, our foreign speakers, our professors, our principals, and this conference is a dream come true. There are so many faces who must have organized a lot of conferences, attended a lot of them, but for us this was the first time, and thank you very much for an overwhelming response. A big hand for you all. For the first time in the history of dental conferences at first IADSR, we have had 1,500 pre-conference registrations, which is a record. We have 6 international speakers, distinguished speakers who were kind enough to honor us with their presence here. We have 80 distinguished speakers, invited speakers in total. There are, in the conference, 84 scientific research presentations, which is again a first time. There are 43 poster presentations, and there are 25 table clinics. We've also started a quiz competition for students and house officers, which Dr. Ayaz has already must have told you that the Liaquat College of Medicine and Industry has funded the cash award for those competitions. The sessions will start in the morning from 9 to 5. We will have education and oral health care on the first day. And then on the next day, the research, again, oral health care sessions, the final of the quizzes, and at the end, on Sunday, after the quiz competitions, we will have an award-giving ceremony where all the people who will get the PMRC Research Awards, the undergrad, the postgrad research awards, the poster competition awards, the quiz competition awards, and the table clinic awards, all the awards will be bestowed upon them on that day. Thank you again very, very much for being here.
Thank you, Dr. Saima. I now request Professor Sifullah Sen to present the shield to GlaxoSmithKline. May I please call upon the representative for GlaxoSmithKline, Mr. Suhail Mateen, to come on stage and receive the shield for his company. Mr. Mateen has been unable to attend, so Ms. Hafsa will be receiving the shield on his behalf. And also a shield for Mr. Ziaul Mustafa from the Expo Center. Without him, this could not have been possible. It's a long way from the control room down here, so bear with us a few seconds. He's coming right down here. Professor Siptal Sen, now I'd like you to come over here and say a few words to our distinguished audience.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Mr. M.A. Rao, the chairman of the university, Professor Masood Umeed, Vice Chancellor of Dow University of Health Sciences from Karachi, a very good friend. But there are so many seniors to me and there are so many friends sitting in front of me that it is very difficult for me to take their names. But to my seniors, I pay my regards, and to my friends, I say Assalamu Alaikum. And to all of you, the youngsters, the enthusiasm which you are showing that depicts Zara nam ho to ye matti badi zarafez hai saathi. Well, I made a speech in the morning also, and now once again I have to say something. I was thinking that tomorrow it was a scientific session and I could say something. Today you are in a mood that its scientific session is over. You have received your, the speakers have received their shields, the other workers have been awarded, and there is a very sumptuous dinner being arranged by you, by the university. I will not take long, but I will only say that conferences of this magnitude have got only one objective, that they are focused and they are focused on a particular knowledge, the knowledge which is useful for the mankind, that should be shared by all and should be used for the welfare of humanity. With this message, ladies and gentlemen, I thanks once again the organizers to give me chance to be with you this evening and in the morning. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Professor Sen. Now I'd like to request Professor Masood to come on the stage, on the podium rather, and say a few words to the audience.
A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Professor Siptal Sen Sayyid Sahab, President Pakistan Medical and Dental Council, Mr. M.A. Rauf, Chairman Board of Governors, Professor Ayaz, Honorable Teachers, Honorable Faculty Members representing medical colleges from all over Pakistan, my dear colleagues, students, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu Alaikum. It's really an honor for me to be here this evening at the inaugural session of a very important conference, which I am sure would lay the roadmap of academic excellence and research in the field of oral health sciences in Pakistan. We all know that the management of the disorders, management of the diseases, of the problems of oral health sciences is not only very painful, but is also very expensive world over. No country in the world offers insurance for dental care. It is mainly because of the reason that the insurance companies, when they calculate the premium, when they calculate the cost, they are unable to meet the financials which would be required. So the answer lies in the preventive strategy. And I am sure that at the end of this conference, we will have recommendations from all over, and we will have recommendations from all the honorable speakers, honorable guests about the prevention of diseases of the oral health sciences. Ladies and gentlemen, we have just witnessed the energy of the youth of Pakistan. And here I would like once again to say that the country, Pakistan, is a country which has given us everything.
चलो हम बाहर खड़े हैं आज.
We are getting our dental and medical education at a cost which is just negligible if you compare it with the countries outside Pakistan. We have the strongest people the intelligent academia, and above all, the entire population of this country is very hardworking. So my request to all the participants of this conference, especially the students of dental sciences, that please try to contribute what this country has done for you, what this country is doing for you. With this, I am really grateful to the organizers of this conference to have given me this opportunity to come over here to enjoy this lovely evening and to share my views. I am thankful to all of you.
Thank you, Professor Masood. Now, I'd like Mr. Asnain, Professor Asnain, to come on stage and give Professor Masood and Mr. Rauf their souvenirs.
Professor Situl Hasnain, President, Pakistan Medical and Dental Council, Professor Masood Hamid, Vice Chancellor, Dow University of Health Sciences, Dr. Ayaz, respected professors of dental faculty, dear students, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. It is indeed a unique privilege for me to be associated with holding of this type of conference, where I believe the best elite of dental faculty is now available, and also the future dental surgeons and professors of dentistry are also with us under this roof now. When Professor Ayaz discussed this thing with me that we should hold this conference jointly, I felt I am a lucky person to be co-host for such a useful conference where we can collect the entire, I believe, the most of the faculty of dental institutions of this country. Thank you very much. You people chose to come in response to our invitation. It was an honor for the University of Lahore to host you. Most of you know that this is just a young university, only 10 years old, and is definitely striving hard to make its position and the Committee of Pakistani Institutions. And I must say that if people like you respond so favorably to our invitations in future also, I have no doubt that we will definitely be making improvements every now and then. Thank you very much. I thank Dr. Ayaz for this collaboration in this very useful conference, and I also thank the President PMDC to be with us 2 times in a day, and this is great honor for us. Thank you very much, Dr. Assam.
Thank you, Mr. Rao. And now I'd like to invite Dr. Ayaz Ali Khan on stage to present the conference souvenirs to Professor Masood. Professor Siftul Hasnain, kindly. And Mr. Rao, please. Thank you, Dr. Ayaz. I'd now like to call Hafsa Farooqi, Brand Manager, GSK, to come on stage and say a few words. Hafsa Farooqi is currently not present here. Ladies and gentlemen, it's been a pleasure to have you here at the first IATSR conference, and hope it proves to be a memorable experience for all of you. Pleasure to have you. We request all of you to join us for dinner now. Thank you.
पैन करते रहना पैन
एक मरकज़ तेरा